Looking for a quick, flavorful dinner? This Cajun baked salmon is ready in just 20 minutes and bursts with Louisiana-inspired flavor. You will need skinless salmon fillets, your favorite Cajun seasoning, a fresh lemon, minced garlic, olive oil, and butter. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkle Cajun seasoning on both sides of the salmon. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in an oven-proof skillet over medium-high, then sear the salmon for 3 minutes. Flip the fillets, then transfer the skillet to the oven and bake for 6 to 8 minutes until the salmon flakes easily. Remove the salmon, add more olive oil and lemon slices to the skillet. Cook briefly, then squeeze in the juice. Whisk in broth and garlic, simmer for 30 seconds, and finish by stirring in butter for a luscious lemon butter sauce. You can swap salmon for trout, cod, or tilapia. No Cajun seasoning? Try Creole or a blend of cayenne, salt, and pepper. Use fresh lemon for the brightest flavor, but bottled juice works in a pinch. Serve this salmon with Cajun deviled eggs or roasted okra for a complete meal. For leftovers, reheat gently in the oven to keep the salmon moist and tender. Enjoy your quick, delicious Cajun feast.